topic we have, it is very interesting, the pH and pOH scale. So what does mean by these two scales, that is pH and pOH? So let's have a look or in the introduction that who was just explained that. So the scientists we have in the year 1909, whose name was Sorensen. Sorensen. So he just find or propose the scale for the measurement of strength of acids and bases. So in the previous we have the strength of acid and bases on in the production of H positive and OH negative ion. Now the Sorensen proposed the main scale, that how we can find the strength of acid and bases. So basically the name of these two scales was pH and the second was pOH. Now what does mean by pH and pOH? So here we have the P. So the P stands for potential to be, and H is the production of the H positive ions. So the potential to produce the H positive ions. On the other hand, if we have pOH, it is the potential to produce the hydroxide ion. So the pH scale or the pH measurement or the pH of measurement, we can find the acidic as well as we can find the basic nature of substances. So how we can find that whether the present substance or the solution is acidic or basic in nature? So the acidity or the basicity of the aqueous solution depends upon the relative numbers of hydrogen and hydroxide ions. So let's discuss the pH and pOH scale separately. So first one we have pH. pH of the solution, it can be defined as the negative. We have basically it is the negative logarithm. So we need to take the negative log of molar concentration of the hydrogen ions. If you are going to take the negative log of molar concentration of the hydrogen ions, then this is known as the pH scale. We have the mathematical expression for this, and the expression we have is pH is equal to negative log of H positive ions. So this is the pH. Now, according to this scale, the pH of water can be calculated. So according to this scale, we can calculate the pH of water molecule. So how we can calculate the pH of water molecules? For example, we have this equation pH, and by putting the value, and what value we have, it's the concentration of hydrogen ion in pure water, it is 1.0 into 10 raised to power minus 7. So by putting 1.0 into 10 raised to power minus 7 over there, we just gain pH is equal to negative log, and molar concentration of hydrogen ions we have 1.0 into 10 raised to power minus 7. So by solving this, we just gain the value is minus into negative 7 and the log of 10. Then we just gain it 7.0. So the pH of pure water, we can say that it is 7. So this is the main scale. If we have pH 7, then the solution is not need to be called neutral. Neutral solution. So the pH of pure water we have 7.0. After that we have the scale for the pOH. Likewise, what does mean by pOH? Mainly, pOH is the negative log. pH is the negative log of molar concentration, of the hydroxide ions. This is known as the pOH, and its mathematical expression we have pOH is equal to negative log and the molar concentration of hydroxide ions. Molar concentration means concentration in mole per dm cube. So we can also find the pOH of the water molecule. Likewise, as we know that the concentration of H positive ions is equal to concentration of OH negative ions, and that is 1.0 into 10 raised to power minus 7. So by putting the values, we can find the pOH of pure water. It is negative log, and hydroxide ion concentration is 1.0 into 10 raised to power minus 7. So we just gain negative and minus 7, then we have the log of 10. By solving this, we just gain 7.0. So the pOH of the pure water is 7.0. So basically the scale of pH we have at the end, we just need find the equation like pH plus pOH. Its value we have 7 plus 7. So pH and pOH, it is equal to 14. So this is the main thing, that the total scale for to measurement pH and pOH we have from 1 to 14. From 1 to 17 means if we have the solution like from 1 to 7 and then from 7 to 14. So this range is for the acidic solution, and the next range we have for the basic solution. And at 7, the solution need to be, or we can say that it is neutral. But before the 7 pH, that is 6, 5, 4 and so on, it is acidic, and from 7 to onward it's 8, 9, 10 to 14 solution will be basic. So if the solution is having pH and pOH 7, then it must be said that it is neutral. So I hope you guys understand about the pH and pOH and what is the expression to find the pH and pOH, and at the end you must need to know pH plus pOH is equal to 40. And if you guys have any queries or misunderstanding about this topic, you may ask me about that in the comment section, and I will get back to you guys soon inshallah. For that time, have a good day and Allah Hafiz.